everybody, we're here for a quick little video. In one of my previous videos, I show how I've set up this cute Chic Sparrow pocket to use as an art journal. And so we'll do a quick little flip. What I did is I made this insert out of 4 different types of I used some Rhodia paper, some Kokuyo paper, some Tomoe River, and onion paper. And I wanted to see how the paper dealt with watercolor and pens. This was Rhodia paper, and when I first started using it, I was afraid it was going to show through, but it actually did a really good job. So I wanted to paint as much on the paper as I could. Now here is the Kokuyo paper. I also have a couple of little drawings. There's a little dachshund. I can't draw, that's Kokuyo paper as well. Now here is Tomoe River paper. It's been a while since I'd used Tomoe River paper, so I wanted to see how it dealt with, I forgot about the pooling and everything, and I finally decided to color the mushrooms. This right here is onion paper. I had never watercolored on onion paper before, so I wanted to see what it was like. I tried to draw Seamus on onion paper to see, because I've never used pencil, and I wanted to see if it would smudge. You can see it kind of does a little bit because of the graphite. I'm not good at dogs that are hairy like that or that are in a cartoon style. And then here we're back to Tomoe River paper because it has that wonderful ability to blend. And I think that's about, no, I was liking the Rhodia paper, and so I forgot, I moved back here and did a floral. And it kind of got through. I pressed a little too hard with pen. So I've been having really fun with the size because I can draw like 1 or 2 items on a page and then color it, and it doesn't take that long. So I placed a little order from Bree at Documented Journey for one of her inserts that I could put inside of my Field Note Fern. So let's see. Ooh, there's a pretty little string. So let's first take a look at this. I've only ever gotten one other thing from Bree. I ordered a, it was when I was using the B6 size last year. I got one of her pencil boards with her artwork, and it's beautiful. But there is her, let me see if I can get this off without ripping it. Ripping the card underneath, I mean. There we are. That looks like James Blakely, maybe. It says Documented Journey, and that is how she's known on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And this is just my invoice, but let's see. Oh, there's some stuff in here. So this is one of her beautiful stickers of one of her flowers. I think that was, you get like this with a sticker, and that was the one that I chose. And she sent some wonderful tabs, very cool, of different types of papers. So there's some single tabs, and there's also some double tabs. That's a pretty green paper. Bree knows I love greens, so she might have done that on purpose. But what I ordered, let me look at my invoice, because I don't want to get it wrong. Okay, this is what she calls mixed media, or mixed paper journal plus sticker. So this is in the Field Note size large, and when large, it means number of pages, and it came with the blue flower. So I think, yeah, this is the back. So this is the front. And so it has, this is like a mixed media paper or a watercolor paper. And then this looks like Tomoe River paper, like the thicker Tomoe River paper. Mixed media. And she hand stitches all of hers, and they look wonderful. So each, these are called signatures, has 1, 2. Wait, are they all different or are they the same? So there's mixed media paper, Tomoe River, Tomoe River, Tomoe River, mixed media, Tomoe River, mixed media, mixed media. So here's the next insert, or the next signature, mixed media, some Tomoe River, another mixed media or a watercolor paper. So that's what this has. And you can see that it is hand stitched and it is done so well. So that is all I got. So I could put it, I don't know how it'll fit in the Chic Sparrow. Will it go in there? Oh my goodness. If I wanted to, I could put it up in the front like this. Here, we can take out my calendar. That's my tracker. That's my no spend, which I did write this down on my no spend. Same thing with the Chic Sparrow. But look at that. Somehow I feel I've been out of the center of the screen. So you could put it there. Something like this, I would be afraid to put on the elastic. I wouldn't do that. But you also could put it back here as well. And that actually might be the better place for it. So if I was to move my tracker, my tracking insert, my, whoops, my no spend insert. Where's the center of this? There it is. And move the insert I made. Look at that. That looks so nice. Okay, so I will link down below Bree at Documented Journey, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.